Cladco's range of composite decking clips allow for a variety of ways to install composite decking for a professional finish. Cladco Decking T-Clips and screws are precision-made fixings designed for installing Cladco composite decking. Manufactured from non-corrosive plastic, Cladco T-Clips and stainless steel wood screws offer improved longevity and corrosion resistance designed for use with Cladco Composite Decking Boards. Cladco T-Clips leave just a 7mm gap between each board to allow for expansion and contraction with the changing ambient temperature throughout the year. Available in packs of 100, we recommend 11 T-Clips for each 4-metre composite board or 8 T-Clips for each 2.4-metre composite board. Cladco Stainless Steel Clips will secure Cladco Composite Decking Boards with a minimal 3mm gap. Installed into the grooves of Cladco Composite Decking Boards, a hidden connection is achieved between each board. Supplied in packs of 100 with stainless steel screws, Cladco Stainless Steel Clips have the added benefit of being rust and corrosion resistant. Cladco Composite Decking Starter Clips allow your composite decking installation to have the best possible starting position. Starter clips provide a precise fitting for Cladco composite decking boards against walls and fencing, making installation a lot easier to complete. Supplied in packs of 50, we recommend using the clips with 25mm stainless steel screws for the best way to begin your composite decking project when working with Cladco composite boards.